Hey everyone, I am Arpit Bhardwaj and I'm going to be the instructor of the CT course called Introduction to Web Development using Stack. So before talking about the course itself, let's first look at what web dev is and why you should be learning web dev. So from my experience, web development gives you the opportunity to express yourself creatively on the internet. So while developing anything over the web, you will not only use your logical part but also the creative part of your brain. So if you have an idea you like to try yourself, you must try web dev once at least. Web dev is a very fun and creative experience. You already have a great audience of millions and millions over the internet ready to try out whatever you build. Also, JavaScript, which is the language the internet browsers understand, has gained immense popularity over the past few years and has diverged into many fields, not just web development. So, Jeff Atwood, a software developer in 2007, said that any application that can be written in JavaScript will eventually be written in JavaScript. So, this shows how powerful JavaScript could be. And let's talk about the course itself and what we will be teaching you in the course. So, the objective of this course is to teach the students the core concepts of not only front end but also back end web development. We will be using MERN stack, which stands for MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js, which is an industry standard tech stack and is used by many startups as well as big companies. Students will be made familiar with basic web structures using HTML and CSS, and we will then dive into in-depth knowledge of JavaScript. Okay, so the course plan, uh, over the span of 9 weeks, which is the duration of this course, we will be dividing this 9 weeks into 9 different modules. Each module will teach you a different topic. We'll start with Git and GitHub. We'll teach you the basics of Git, and then we will also help you setting up your VS Code for a robust web development environment. After that, we will uh, dive into HTML and CSS, which are basically the fundamental of front-end web development. We'll also be teaching Tailwind CSS, which is a CSS framework. From the third week, we will dive into JavaScript and DOM manipulation. We will cover the basics of JavaScript and will teach you how you can use JavaScript to manipulate DOM and achieve anything you want on the web page. So after that, we will try to explore the backend area and we will learn the theory of request response cycle, and we'll start with Node.js. Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment which lets you create servers and backends. Once we are done with Node.js, we will explore REST APIs. We'll learn what APIs actually are, how you can use them, and we will try to create APIs of our own using Express.js. Then we will explore a little bit about databases and DBMS in general. We will be using a NoSQL database called MongoDB, and we will learn what different kind of databases are good for. From the seventh week, we will dive into the advanced of front-end web development and learn React.js. Once we are done with both backend and front-end, in the eighth week, we will try to integrate everything we have learned and deploy the website on the internet using Heroku or any other deployment platform. Once you are done with that, the ninth week will be dedicated for a final project for the students, where they will basically accumulate whatever they have learned over the past 8 weeks and try to create something fun out of it. So you will learn a lot in this course. You will learn how to make beautiful web pages using HTML and CSS. You will learn how to write efficient APIs using Express.js. You will also learn the in and outs of a database management system using MongoDB. You will also be deploying your websites on the internet, creating your own websites from scratch. And you can also go into the field of freelancing as it is saturated with web development at this moment. Okay, so let's talk about us for a bit. So this course will be taken by the three of us. I, Arpit Bhardwaj, am the instructor of this course, and along with me, Kanishk Khandelwal and Vedant Bang will be the mentors. We all are from DevSoc and have a experience creating a lot of web apps so far. And I just hope that I will see all of you in the course. Thank you.